Most of us at some point in our lives will have a battle with our weight. And when we look at weight management and weight loss, it's an incredibly complicated topic for a couple of reasons. Our weight is influenced not only by what we eat, but what is actually happening inside our gut. If we look at the amount of human cells that we have about 1 trillion human cells in our body, but 100 trillion different organisms that live in our gut alone. Now, these organisms are combined the same weight as your brain, about 2.5 kilograms. They make up a separate organ. We call it the microbiome, and that's all the microbes and their genetic material. Now, these microbes not only determine how we feel because of a connection that they have on our hormones and to the brain, but it can also determine whether we gain or lose weight. Often I have a patient come in and say, but I eat virtually nothing and I can't lose weight. And this is due to not only the type of food that they're eating, but the organisms that live in your gut and how they are responsible for the energy that we get from our food. At the T Clinic, what we do for weight is we take a holistic view to hormone balances, things like insulin, ghrelin, estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, and other hormones. We focus on bespoke nutritional supplementation, bespoke nutritional IV therapy, hormone optimization and balancing, focused nutritional guidelines with our gut coach, Stacey Holland, to teach you how to feed your body instead of starving it. The development of newer medications specifically for the management of weight have proven to be effective in not only controlling cravings, but decreasing appetites and making us feel fuller faster. Each and every one of us require a bespoke approach to weight management. Not only about what we eat, but how we control our glucose and lipid metabolism. Starvation diets do not work. The moment that we start eating normally again, we pick the weight up because of the imbalances that these diets can create in the microbiome. Should you battle with managing your weight, one of its solutions is a holistic approach to find what works not only for your lifestyle, but some of your comorbidities that you might have, to create a safe, efficacious way to manage weight in the long term. Contact us at the T Clinic at the website below or the phone number as given, and we will give you more information regarding this.